Hi guys, today I am going to tell about the negative manner questions and how to solve the negative manner questions. Okay guys, before going to this video, I just suggest you to see the video of the positive manner which I have already posted in my videos. Okay, I think it will help you so much. Then see, these are the steps which I am considering now to form the negative manner finite automata. See guys, the first step is convert negative manner quotient to positive manner quotient. Okay, we need to convert the negative quotient into positive quotient. Then write the value strings for the positive quotient. Means the quotient which we have now, we need to write the value strings for it. Then consider first value string and construct its equivalent finite automata. These two steps are as same as from the positive manner questions. Then let's see the fourth step, that is make changes. That means we need to make changes for the constructed finite automata to get the complete finite automata. Okay guys? Then the fifth step is now we need to convert that final state into non-final state and vice versa means non-final state into final state. Then at last step is we need to write the definition of the finite automata. Okay guys, not only listening by these steps, if we apply these all steps in the form of a problem, then I think you all will simply understand how to do the problems. Then let us take one example, that is design DFA for the language L which accepts all the strings. It should accept all the strings in which every string doesn't contain AB as a substring. Over the input set sigma equals to AB. Guys, whenever we find does not in the question, I mean the question with the negative form, these all belongs to the negative questions. Okay, here only I highlighted this line with the writing the with a different color. Let's see here. Every string doesn't contain AB as a substring. So, what is our first step? We need to just convert the negative question into positive question. That means every string contains AB as a substring. It's completed, guys. Then our second step is write the value strings for positive question. That means this is a positive question, means every string should contain the AB as a substring. So what are the value strings we may get? AB, AAB, BAB. See guys, in these all strings we got AB as a substring. Okay, if you want you can write some more else. Okay, let's see the third step, that is consider first value string and construct its equivalent finite automata. See, I am just considering the first value string, that is AB, and I am constructing its equivalent finite automata. See guys, in my previous video I already told you how to construct the simple finite automata. Let's see here. This is our initial state or starting state. We are writing here. From here to this is our input symbol. First one, A is our input symbol. Then we are starting from Q0 to Q1, that is with input symbol A. Then again we have input symbol B. Then from Q1 to Q2. See guys, B is the last input. So Q2 is the last state, that means final state. That means we have already reached to our destination. Whenever we reach to the destination, we just say it as final state. That means we will represent final state with double circle. Then let's take another string guys. I took AAB. Then let's start how to do it. We need to write the same states and the same finite automata in here also. Then we need to make some changes to it. See, A, it is the input symbol. Already we have again A. That means for Q0 we have A. What about Q1? We didn't have any A input. So we are giving it as self loop. If you want, you can give it from Q1 to Q2 also. Then If you want any doubts, then check for BAB, AAB also, guys. Then this is our string. I means this is our finite automata for the following string. Then our next step is, before going to the next step, guys, just we need to have two inputs for each and every state. That means for Q naught we have just A. What about B? We need to add B either as a self loop or to form a path from Q1 to Q naught to Q1. Then for Q1 we have A as self loop and B as a path. Then what about Q2? We should give like A comma B as self loops. Then our fifth step is we just need to consider that conversion. That means conversion from final state into non-final state and non-final state into final states. That means, see guys, here this is the final state. It is the final state. So we are making it as non-final state here. Then these are the non-final state. We done them to be the final states. Yes or no, guys? Then here again we are giving the same inputs to them. Inputs are always same, guys, but we are just converting the final state into non-final state, non-final states into final states. Then now let us consider the valid strings which we want to get for the following question. The question is, every string doesn't contain AB as a substring. Okay guys, now we need to write the valid string based on our question. See, A, we doesn't have any AB as a substring. B, no. Then BA. If you write AB, then it will contain the substring. So we wrote BA, then BAA, then BBA. So guys, if you want, you can write some more valid strings by seeing the finite automata. Then our last step is definition of a finite automata. That is formal definition. Let M equals to Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F. See guys, Q means the states. These are the states. And then sigma means these are the input symbols. Input symbols. Then F is the final state. That means, see guys, here we got the two final state. One is Q1 and one is Q0. Then what about our initial state? Our initial state is Q0 only. So this is a Q0. Okay guys, next step is, see guys, now we need to find the sigma of Q0 comma A. That means here we find the four tuples only. This is the fifth tuple we are going to find, that is sigma of Q0 comma A, that equals to. See guys, we need to consider this finite automata. At last, at the fifth state, what we got, that is a finite automata. No, we are considering this. See, Q0 of A, that is Q1 to Q1 it is going, no, Q1. Q0 of B is Q0. Then Q1 of A itself means Q1. Then Q1 of B to Q2. Q2 of A and B. These two are self loops, so I wrote them. Now again, that is a transition table. The next step is transition table. See guys, how to consider the transition table, that is Q. These are the states and these are the inputs. By seeing the above numbers, above symbols, we are just writing them here. That is Q0, Q1, Q2 are inputs. These are the states. A and B are the inputs. Then Q0 of A, that is Q1. See guys, here Q0 of A Q1, Q0 of B Q0, that is the same. From the above these values, we are writing them in the transition table. See guys, at last step is we need to find the string acceptance. That means it will accept this string which we have taken as a valid string or not. Now let's see that I am taking the string as BAA. See guys, we need to take the valid string, that means after conversion from the positive states to negative states, what's the strings we have got here? These are the valid strings. So you can take any one of these valid string. See guys, I am taking the BAA as a valid string. See, BAA. I already drawn the finite automata for the value string. See, it is itself B, A, and then again here A. That's it, guys. We don't want to choose the root for Q2 because this is not our final state. We just need to consider the final state. What from wherever we will start, we just need to reach the final state. So see guys, B, A, A. This is our value string. So we need to prove it through the formula. The formula is, see, I will write here, sigma of Q naught comma BAA. Here Q naught comma B means from the finite automata Q naught of B is Q naught. Then guys, that is Q naught. Just remove the B and then just look at it A. That means what we have got, guys, that means I think Q naught of A, that is Q1. See guys, Q naught of A, that is Q1. Then remove this A and then for this A again Q1 of A, that is, it is a self loop. That means we will get the Q1 as the output. That means it is the final state. So guys, we will state that our string is accepted. If you want, you can check guys, that is Q1 of A itself is a Q1. So our string is accepted. If you have any queries, then please ask comment in the comment section. Thank you guys.